you're cursing, then I'm going
I
to
was
ask
not
you.
cursing.
You
Excuse
did
me, do you know what schools I've been to and how well educated
Sorry.
I am?
First of all,
I was not.
The only reason why I
I'm
said
sorry.
something to you,
you're loud if you're not profane. Listen
I
to
am
that.
fighting now. Fighting.
point blank period, we already had an issue here. I asked her to go
I'm sorry. Do you think I'm a little hoodlum? Like,
I'm the
where do you
conductor.
think I was?
I have permission to
hovering
stop the
from?
train already, and that's the end of it. So either the language stops, they can step
language
into the
has
vestibule,
stopped.
or we can
But
stop
how
the
dare
train
you
and
think
they
I
can
was
take
being
the
profane?
local.
I'm sorry.
That's
Please
it.
repeat to me the words I was being profane with.
If I hear the F-bomb dropped from your mouth, I'm
From
gonna
my
ask
mouth.
you to
Excuse
lower
me,
your
do you know
voice.
how well educated I am that you think I was talking in a private conversation to my friend about
Being that
something?
she is now becoming loud and irate, we're going to leave or I'm going to stop the train and have her fix it.
I'm sorry, please stop the train then. Please stop the train. I would prefer
We're not
that.
entertaining this. Let's go.
No, you are entertaining this.
I'm not going to entertain
I ride
you
this
because
train
you're not
all the
being
time.
honest.
In the morning to work
That's
and from
fine.
work all the time. And
I'm
on the
not
Metro
entertaining
North to
this
my parents'
conversation
house
with
in
you.
Garrison. But you
No.
claim that
time
I
out.
touched you. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I need to be kicked
Don't
off.
touch me
All right,
at all.
please kick me off. I do not. I want my money back for riding this train.
Don't
at the
put your
moment.
hands on me. It's number one.
Actually, I would prefer to have my money back and not
Don't
give the
touch
Metro
me.
North any of my money.
Don't touch me. That's number one.
I don't need to touch you. Get
You
away
just
from me.
did.
Get away from
I
me.
was on my way walking away from you and you decided to touch me.
Please
Let's
go away.
Tom.
Go ahead.
No, we're going together. Let's go. 'Cause
I would like
I'm
my money
entertaining
back for riding this
Let's
trip
go.
to wherever the next trip
it.
is.
Customer service. Let's go.
No, do not tell me to go to customer service.
Let's go.
I'm not a crazy person. I'm a very well-educated person. I'm sorry. That's why people work in